you for allowing us the opportunity to give you an estimate on your windows and patio doors. What you're about to see and participate in will not only save you time, but also may save you thousands of dollars in the process, which you'll get to see for yourself at the end of this short presentation. It normally takes 2 to 3 hours to get a window estimate. We're gonna do it in just 7 minutes. So here we go. Call immediately after the video to qualify for this offer. So why are replacement windows so expensive? Well, a large part is due to quality, but the largest expense is normally advertising cost. We use an unconventional approach. Our Energy1 Estimate program, coupled with our word-of-mouth advertising, drives down our marketing costs and gives you the opportunity to receive professional-grade windows at a contractor-grade price. This unique program is designed to save you thousands of dollars. It also gives you the opportunity to earn thousands of dollars referring your friends and family. So, who is Energy1? We're not just a local company, we're a national company. We began our journey in 1998. Our growth has always relied on high quality, competitive prices, and service excellence. We focus hard on these 3 things, and a great reputation has followed. So why replace your old windows? There's a lot of great reasons. Energy savings, enhanced security, sound reduction, and a great return on investment. Here are a few of the most common problems: balance failure, window leaks, seal failure, cracked glass. If you're not replacing your old windows, it's like throwing your hard-earned money away. The most recent studies show that you're losing up to 78% of your home's energy through your old windows and doors. And when it comes to energy loss, you have 3 major problems: infiltration, conduction, and radiation. Studies show that up to 80% of all break-ins occur through your old windows and doors. The culprit: old single-strength glass, antiquated locks, and weak frames and sashes. We have the solution: the Regency. The Regency series is designed to save you up to 40% off your current energy bill. Here's how. There are no compromises in the quality of this window. Our Edge Force rigid vane frame gives superior structural integrity. It's pinch point fusion welded and designed with multiple honeycomb chambers, giving you unparalleled thermal protection, structural support, and sound reduction. Unlike your original windows, our strong and stylish Defense Tech cam action locks are designed to draw the sashes together for an airtight seal and ultimate security. Core FX is built into the sash. This innovative, non-conductive composite material creates added reinforcement for security. Our state-of-the-art Forecaster True Slope Sill is a crucial design feature. It allows water to drain away from your windows, not into them. The combination of our durable insulation bulb, weather stripping, and gatekeeper telescoping sill dam work together to create a structural wall to resist up to 155 mph winds and up to 6 inches of rainfall per hour. But the true performance of this window comes from the glass package. Our double-strength Climatech Elite glass package dramatically blocks solar heat and the harmful UV rays that fade and destroy your drapes, carpet, wood, and furniture. The Regency is also filled with argon gas, up to 92%. Its purpose is to thermally insulate the glass and minimize the amount of heat and cold passing through your windows. Because of all of these great features, your new windows will have the highest rating available through the National Energy Star program, greatly reducing your carbon footprint. The Regency also comes with an exciting collection of styles, colors, and custom accents to fit your lifestyle. Those were just a few of the many features of the Regency window. For more information, please visit our website. The Regency is truly an impressive window, but if it's not installed properly, it won't do what it was designed to do, and that is save you energy and keep your family safe. All of our installers are professional, courteous, factory-trained, and fully insured. Our warranty is one of the best in the industry. Unlike most warranties that are costly and prorated, ours is free and covers everything. This is a true lifetime warranty, including a lifetime accidental glass breakage warranty. It also includes a lifetime seal failure warranty and is non-prorated and is fully transferable to the next homeowner, which is a great selling feature if you ever decide to sell your home. It's hands down one of the best warranties available. Okay, now for the best part. Here's how our pricing stacks up to the competition.
Here is an actual competitor's quote. This quote is for 13 double-pane windows for $26,489. That's approximately $2,037 per window. Here's another quote from our competition. The quote is for 14 double-pane windows for $24,428. That's approximately $1,744 per window.
So to recap, by participating in our exclusive Estimate program, you'll receive our professional-grade Regency window at a contractor-grade price, giving you energy savings, enhanced security, sound reduction, and a great return on investment, plus added beauty. Participating will not only save you thousands of dollars off the suggested retail price, it gives the opportunity to earn thousands of dollars referring your friends and family. You can get started right now by sharing this video. We also offer convenient, low-interest, easy-to-afford financing options, including 12 months same as cash. 0 down, 0 interest, 0 payments for 12 months. Never has it been so easy and affordable to replace your old windows. Again, this offer is extremely limited and is subject to price increases regularly, so act now. Just click the link below to receive your low-cost, high-quality personal quote from Energy1.